Morning, classmate. Good morning, sir. This is my report titled Digital Forensics and Physical Security. Outline: Forensics and digital forensics definition. Digital evidence, digital forensics model, digital forensics process, need and benefits of digital forensic, application of digital forensic, skills required and challenge faced by digital forensics, and digital forensic software tools and conclusion. What is forensic? Collection and analysis and evidence using scientific tests or techniques to establish fact against crime for presenting in a legal proceeding. Therefore, forensic science is a scientific method of gathering and examining information about the past, which is then in court of law. What is digital forensics? Digital forensics is the use of scientifically derived and proven method towards the preservation, collection, validation, identification, analysis, interpretation, documentation, and presentation of digital evidence derived from digital devices. For the purpose of facilitating or furthering the reconstruction of event found to be criminal, or helping to anticipate unauthorized action shown to be disruptive to plan operation. Branch of digital forensic. The technical aspect of an investigation is divided into several sub-branches relating to the type of digital device involved: computer forensics, firewall forensics, database forensics, network forensics, forensic data analysis, and mobile device forensic. The typical forensics process encompasses the seizure, forensics imaging, and analysis of digital media, and the production of report in the collected device evidence. Example of digital forensics device or on gadget service. Device. Digital evidence. Evidence. A piece of information that supports a conclusion. Digital evidence. Any data is recorded or preserved on any medium in or by computer system or other similar digital device that can be read or understood by person or a computer system or other similar device. It includes a display, printout, or other output of that data. Characteristic of digital evidence. An evidence must be admissible, conformity with the common law and legislative rules, authentic, and linking data to specific individual and events. Fragile, easily altered, damaged, or destroyed. Accurate, believe and is inconsistent, complete, with a full story or particular circumstances, convincing to juries, to have probative value, subject, and practical test of presentation, to proving beyond debate. Example of digital evidence. Many courts have allowed the use of email, digital, transaction logs, word processing documents, instant message histories, files saved from accounting program, spreadsheet, internet browser histories, databases, the content of computer memory, computer backup, computer printouts, global positioning system track, log from hotel electronic door locks, and digital video or audio files. Types of digital evidence. Persistent data, meaning data that remains in, intact when the digital device is turned off. Hard drives, disk drives, and removable storage device, such as USB drives or flash drives. Volatile data, which is data that would be lost if the digital evidence is turned off. Delected files, computer history, the computer's registry, temporary file, and web browsing history. Location for evidence. Internet history files, temporary internet files, Slack unallocated space, body list, personal chat room records, P2P, other saved areas, use groups, club list of posting, settings, folder, structure, and file names, file storage date, software or hardware added, file sharing ability. Digital forensics model. Because digital forensics is a new discipline, there is a little standardization and consistency across the court and industry. Different digital forensics model publish, number of digital forensics model of framework, and number of cases. Number one, computer forensics process, or M.1995, 4 processes. Generic investigate process, 7 classes. Abstract model of digital forensics procedure, 9 processes. An integrated digital investigation process, 17 process. End-to-end digital investigation, 9 steps. Enhanced integrated digital investigation process, 19 pages. And different digital forensics model again published. Intended model or cyber crime investigation, 13 activities. Practical object basis framework, 19 pages. Event-based digital forensics investigation framework, 16. And forensics process, 4 process. Investigation framework, 3 stage. Computer forensics field page process models, 4. Investigate process model, 4 phases. These are digital forensics basic model. Acquire evidence to contacting evidence to analyze data. Digital forensics process. Broad process step, identification, preservation, analysis, documentation, and presentation. Identification. The first step in the forensics process. What evidence it present, where is stored, and how it is stored. Electronic store can be personal computers, mobile phones, PDAs, smart cards. Key parameters in identification, type of information, and format. Preservation. Isolate, secure, and preserve the state of physical and digital evidence. This includes preventing people from using digital device or allowing other electromagnetic device to be used within an affected radius. Analysis. Determine significance, reconstruct fragment of data, and draw conclusion based on evidence found. It may take several iterations of examination and analysis to support a crime theory. Documentation. A record of all visible data must be created, which helps her recreating the scene and reviewing it anytime. Involves proper documentation of crime scene along with photographing, sketching, and crime scene mapping. Presentation. Summarize and provide explanation of conclusion. This should be writing in a person's terms using abstracted terminologies. All abstracted terminology should be reference the specific details. Need for digital forensics. To ensure the integrity of digital system, to focus on the response to high-tech offenses started to the intervene the system. Digital forensics has been efficiently used to track down the terrorists from the various parts of the world. To produce evidence in court that can be lead to the punishment of criminal. The benefits of digital forensics. Digital forensics help to protect from solve cases involving if of intellectual property. This is pertain to any act that allow access to patent trade, secret, customer data, and any confidential information. Financial fraud. This pertains to anything that uses fraudulent solicitation of victim information to conduct fraudulent transaction. The benefits of digital forensics. Hacker system penetration, taking advantage of vulnerabilities of systems or software using tools such as rootkits and snippers. Distribution and execution of viruses and worms. These are the most common form of cybercrime and often cause the most damage. Application of digital forensics, financial fraud detection, criminal prosecution, child pornography, civil litigation, evidence in court cases on the proceeding, perjury, forswearing, Clinton, Lewinsky case, corporate security policy and acceptable use violation, embezzlement, misuse, fraud, cheating, etc. Email trace data, if industrial, espionage, spying, intelligence, and units. Challenge faced by digital forensics. The increase of PCs and internet access has made the exchange of information quick and inexpensive. Easy to availability of hacking tools, lack of physical evidence make crimes harder to prosecute. The large amount of storage, space available to suspect, the rapid technological changes requires constant upgrade or changes to solution. Skills required for digital forensics. Application of programming or computer-related experience, broad understanding of operating system and application. Strong analytical skills. Strong computer science and fundamental. Strong system administrative skills. Knowledge of the latest intruder tools. Knowledge of cryptography and steganography. Strong understanding of the rules of evidence and evidence handling. Ability to be an expert witness in a court of law. Digital forensic software tools. Backtrack. This has many forensic tools to analyze any compromised system or find security holes. In that a large amount of open source bundled package are installed in this OS. Kali Linux is the Debian derived Linux or distribution designed for digital forensics and penetration testing. It was developed through the rewrite or backtrack file. Their previous forensics Linux and distribution. Conclusion. Digital forensics are important for solving crimes. With digital devices, against digital devices, against people where evidence may reside in device. Several sound tools and techniques exist to search and analyze digital data. Regardless of existing tool, evolving digital age and development of technology requires heavier research in digital forensics. Reference. This is a reference. What is physical security and how does it work? Physical security is the protection of personnel, hardware, software, networks, and data from physical action, an event that could cause serious loss or damage on enterprise, agency, or institution. This includes protection from fire, flood, natural disasters, burglary, theft, and vandalism and terrorism. While most of these are covered by insurance, physical security's prioritization of damage prevention avoids the time, money, and resources lost because of this event. The physical security framework is made up to three main components: access control, surveillance, and testing. This success is organization physically security program can be often be attributed to how well each of these components is implemented, improved, and maintained. Importance of physical security. As a business become more dependent on the internet or things, so does the need for digital and physical security. IoT demands and significant amount of physical security to safeguard data, servers, and networks. The rising interconnectedness of IoT has expanded the sphere of physical security. Virtual machine and applications that run in the cloud, for example, are only protected as their physical server. Physical security example. Physical security can take many shapes and forms. The strategies, barriers, and techniques that organizations use to support the general physical information technology. Security, for example, are significantly different from those used to facilitate consistent physical network security. Here are, here are few physical security examples used to contain the control real-world threat. Thank you, sir. Yun lang po. Okay na po, sir.
Done na po.